Hey, how's it going, everybody? I'm creating this video on how to use smart tags in Tallyflow. So I'm going to talk about what smart tags are and how to actually use them in the document builder. So smart tags are basically like placeholders that you could put in your document to fill with like real data. For example, if I create a document and I have, I need to use my client's first name throughout the document, I can use something called a smart field. So, for example, I'm gonna create just, I'm gonna create a brochure, okay? So I'm gonna go create a document file, start from blank. So if by chance, maybe this brochure starts with some sort of text and I want to say, hey there, and I want to use the client's first name, what I can do is I can start typing with the curly bracket and it'll pull up a list of smart fields or smart tags. So, for example, if I want to start with the client first name, then I can put it here. And when I actually choose the client, the primary client, and I talk about primary versus secondary in the documents overview video, so definitely check that out or look at our knowledge base articles on what that means. And I click preview, I can see that it's pulling the information from the primary client, right? So I can do this with a lot of different things. I can do it with, let's say, the client's email, or I can do it with the I can do it with the project date if it has a date. If I could do it with the project name, right? So I can type a bunch of things and I can say, I can input basically the smart tag in there and it'll always fill the data when it actually shows up on the client side. We will be adding obviously more, smart tags or smart fields, and you can be very flexible on how you use this throughout your document. So you can see there's a bunch of different things in here, which is great. Um, awesome. So that's how you use smart tags or smart fields in Tallyflow. As always, please let us know if you have any other questions. And by the way, one last thing, you can use this across, all documents, and it'll pull the data from, either the client that you select, and then obviously, as you know, um, the project that you choose will also that you have to attach it to will also pull the data from that. So, thanks.